Okay, let's talk about how to leverage and optimize your company. The next question you need to answer is how to increase revenue with the same amount of time and effort. You can do it by means of leveraging and optimizing your company. Leveraging your business means using your resources to their optimum advantage for improved results. One big question that you need to ask to leverage is this: am I using all of my resources to their best advantage? Do I still have backseat roles in my team, which don't really contribute to anything? Do I really need these backseaters to complete projects or tasks? If you answered no or maybe, your business is ripe for leveraging on your existing talent pool and optimizing your team size so there are no backseats. Companies which can achieve more results with fewer resources are great examples of leveraging. One example is Brand A, which produces higher quality vehicles even though Brand B spends more on research. An African proverb says, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, you need a team. Many businessmen struggle in their businesses because they try to do everything themselves. Some result in hating the entire process because they end up performing tasks which are not their field of expertise, such as production or operations. Some end up having to work extra hours unnecessarily. And the irony here is that they build a business with the purpose of having more free time and achieve financial freedom, yet they get swallowed up and chained to the business. What you need here is actually a team which can execute the more operational and technical aspects of the company. This way, you'll have so much more time working on your business, not in it, which includes strategic planning and direction.